How do you amend or update your will? Well, I am going to be speaking about Washington law. Other states may have different rules, but in Washington, you can't yourself amend or update your will because in our state, there are legal formalities required. So let's say you have a really good will and you paid the attorney thousands of dollars to get your really good will, and now you want to change the name of a beneficiary or the percentage is going to beneficiary or who will be your personal representative. So you just mark it off and write that in. That's a big problem. Now you have caused there to be a major question about whether that will is valid at all. So please do not do that. Do not write on your estate planning documents, especially your will, and try to change it yourself. Instead, contact the attorney who drafted that will for you. In the old days, we used to do codicils. We don't do codicils hardly at all anymore. A codicil would be a formal legal amendment to the will. Instead, it typically is just more efficient to prepare a new will with those changes that you want. Oftentimes, when clients come to us and they want to make, just a couple of changes, we will prepare for them a new will. Why is that? Because we did their will 10 years ago, and over this 10-year term, there have been changes in the will language, in statutes, in what you would want to have in a will. So if we're going to be updating, amending, or correcting anything in a will, oftentimes we will prepare a whole new will. That does not mean we're going to charge the same fee that we charged when we started and did the original will, but there likely will be fees that the attorney will charge you for updating your will. That's one of the reasons people don't want to go back to the attorney, because they have to pay for some changes to the new will, and they try to do it themselves. If you do it yourself, you might have created a big problem that your will is no longer valid, so please go back to see the attorney who helped you with that will originally.